QSR Automations, we just celebrated our 25-year anniversary. Our vision is to make service easier for everyone. We got our start with kitchen display software for restaurants of any type, so anything from quick service to fine dining and everywhere in between. But throughout the years, we expanded beyond just kitchen display, and we really focused on making a complete operational technology platform for restaurants to cover all the way from the front of house to the back of house. So in the back of house, you'd have the kitchen display system, recipe management system. In the front of house, for table service restaurants, you'd have wait list management, table management, reservations management, and we've kind of connected the dots all along the way with focus on off-premise and some other things to take the guest from the moment even before they walk in the door, the moment they place the order, all the way through the experience and the time they get their food and they leave. So we're showing our entire ConnectSmart platform. So on display here is the kitchen display system. The kitchen display integrates to 70 different point of sale systems, so we're really known for being the best option in the industry in terms of that, because our focus is really on how to improve restaurant operations in their kitchens. We've also got different add-ons, like this is an order ready screen for takeout, so when your food's ready for pickup, you can see your name on a screen to know it's ready. And then like on the other side of the booth, we show more of our front of house solutions, so the things like what we call ConnectSmart Host, which is the waitlist reservations and table management, our ConnectSmart Go app, which is our off-premise management, a way to communicate with the kitchen on when people have arrived to pick up their food, and communicate with the guests via SMS messages to exchange with the guests for takeout as well. I think the biggest one right now is labor, with everyone having difficult time, retaining staff, keeping staff, getting people to come. The kitchen display, I think, is a huge benefit for that, because it really tells you what to do. It takes all the extra thinking out of the process. You see an item on the screen, you make the item. You see the order ready to go out, it tells you when to send the order out. For a new employee coming in to try and learn how the restaurant operates, it makes it extremely simple. The other big one is recipes with training. So there's a complete cloud-based recipe system built into the ConnectSmart platform, where if you don't know how to make an item, or if you don't know how to make a drink at the bar, you can tap on it, hit a button, and it'll show you exactly what you need to do to make it. The second one is the off-premise balance with dine-in. That's the one we keep hearing from our customers is, we mastered dine-in and we knew how much off-premise we were getting before COVID hit, but now after COVID, everything's kind of changed, and you've got almost a flip where you're doing so much more off-premise, and it's at the expense of the experience for the dine-in guest. So the story that we've been telling people is, the kitchen is the heartbeat of the restaurant. The kitchen system is really the only system that knows exactly what's going on. It knows how many dine-in orders are in the kitchen. It knows how many off-premise orders are coming down the pipe. And using all that data, the metrics, to intelligently quote takeout orders, to intelligently take advantage of capacity management, so you know how many orders can I take at 7 o'clock before I need to push them to 7:15. That's the big one. Taking a look at the omni-channel and using all the data. We've got data for days. We've got APIs that allow our partners and our customers to pull that data out and use it however they want.